Step into the world of real estate with confidence. Our Mastering Real Estate Assistant Essentials e-workshop equips you with the skills to excel as a certified real estate assistant. What does this e-workshop offer? Expert-led sessions designed for practical learning. A complete toolkit, including forms, checklists, and contracts. Interactive activities to apply skills in real-time scenarios. Certification as a globally recognized real estate assistant. Access exclusive templates and resources, such as property tracking forms, client communication guides, and scheduling tools, all tailored for real estate professionals. Prepare with scenario-based assessments that mimic real-world challenges, ensuring you're ready to handle every aspect of real estate assistance. Earn your Certified Real Estate Assistant certificate upon completion, showcasing your expertise to employers and clients alike. Why join this e-workshop? Learn from seasoned real estate professionals. Gain tools for immediate application in the workplace. Build confidence and advance your career with expert guidance. Join the Mastering Real Estate Assistant Essentials e-workshop today. Visit Academy, iqc-vienna.com to begin your journey toward excellence in real estate assistance.